I moved to Maiduguri with my family in the beginning of 2016. Boko Haram burned down my village and killed many of my relatives. I had nowhere else to go.
Since 2009, communities in northeast Nigeria have been devastated by ongoing violence triggered by the insurgency group Boko Haram. Over 2.2 million Nigerians have been displaced by fighting. In Borno State alone, experts estimate that 244,000 children are suffering from severe malnutrition. Action Against Hunger launched an emergency nutrition program in Borno State, preventing malnutrition by providing a daily nutritious meal and educating displaced mothers about healthy care and feeding practices for infants and young children through mother-to-mother support groups called Porridge Moms.
Action Against Hunger helped me a lot. Here, in this group, with all the other mothers, I learned more about breastfeeding and how to cook a healthy meal for my children that will help them grow stronger.
All Porridge Mom members are either pregnant or nursing, and are also mothers or caretakers of a child under the age of 5. The groups meet at sites where Action Against Hunger has built kitchens, in partnership and with the permission of local leaders. Having a safe space for women displaced by violence to come together and share experiences with other mothers helps establish a sense of normalcy and helps them cope with anxiety, isolation, and depression. The benefits of this support network are particularly valuable for breastfeeding mothers, as trauma can often interfere with their ability to produce milk.
Around Maiduguri, we have about 40 kitchens. We have 68 groups. Today they are cooking tom brown. It's a mixture of soybeans, millet, and granite to help build the immune system of the children. That's why we are here.